Welcome to this tutorial on how to unmute WhatsApp statuses. In this video, I will show you how to unmute a muted WhatsApp Messenger or WhatsApp Business status in just a few easy steps. The process is exactly the same for both. Open the WhatsApp on your smartphone, swipe left to the Status tab, scroll down to see the muted updates. To unmute the status, tap and hold on the status. From the menu that appears, tap on the Unmute option, and your status is unmuted and will be shown in recent updates. Just a bonus tip, if you want to mute the status again, simply tap and hold on the status and select the mute from the menu. And there you have it. That's how you can easily and quickly unmute a status on WhatsApp. I hope this tutorial was useful to you. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.